This AI collected a $1,000 deposit on a $50,000 deal inside a DM. No human involved. That's not a flex. That's what DM Champ does every single day across 500 plus businesses. It qualifies the lead, handles objections like, that's too expensive, books the appointment, and collects the deposit. All inside WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger. No sales rep, no follow-up chase, just closed deals. And here's what makes it a real business opportunity. You white label it, put your own brand on it, set your own price, and resell it to as many clients as you want from one account. You keep 100% of the profit. Setting up a new client takes about 15 minutes. The AI builds its own knowledge base from their website automatically. No coding, no prompt writing. Your clients get a branded dashboard with their own login. You get a recurring revenue stream that runs 24/7. If you manage social accounts or sell to businesses, this is your unfair advantage. Grab DM Champ now and start reselling today.